to Duggans Junction, and today we're going to do another instalment of PCB boards which can be found inside a Hornby Class 50. Today the example we are using is 1621X009R3, and this particular PCB board was found inside D421 Rodney, or otherwise known as 500021. Now, as I've said before, I wouldn't take much notice of the body name and number. These PCB boards can be found in random 50s, and sometimes the same body will have a different PCB board underneath it on the actual chassis. So without further ado, let's go over this now. If you've seen some of these before, you'll know the drill. I'll go from 1 to 12, left to right, starting from the fan side, and like I said, we'll work our way through. So, number 1 is a black wire that goes across to the lighting fixture here. Let me just prop him back up again, sorry, apologies. Number 2 is a red wire, again, that goes to that lighting fixture there. Number 3 is a black wire, and that goes down to the bogies for the pickups. Number 4 is a red wire, and it goes down to the bogies for our pickups. Number 5 is a black wire, and that goes across to this lighting fixture here. Number 6 is a red one, and again that goes across to that lighting fixture. Moving across to the right hand side, number 7 is a red wire, and that goes to this lighting fixture. Number 8 is a black wire, and that goes to that lighting fixture. Number 9 is a black wire, and that goes down to the motor bogie. Apologies, goes down to the bogie for the pickup. Number 10 is a red wire, and again that goes down to the bogie for the pickup. Number 11 is a red wire, and that goes to that lighting fixture there. And last but not least, number 12, that's a black wire, and that goes to that lighting fixture as well. We also have the 2 for the motor in the middle, a red wire on this side closest to you, and a black wire on the opposite side, and they both go to the motor. Thanks for watching, guys. I like to keep these videos nice, short and sweet. I hope this is helpful for some of you who may be having issues or just need to know where the wires go on your PCB board. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll see you again.